Welcome back to Shalice Bakes Cakes. Today we are making a fun cake here. I've already frosted and it's ready to go. We have our fun cookie cutter. It's a really big cookie cutter and I'm just gonna put it on my cake. So we'll make the indents of it and then we are gonna pipe it onto our cake. We're gonna get buttercream and just pipe, so we'll have this fun pumpkin design on the side of our cake. And I think it's so fun, this technique. I want you guys to watch and just see how things come to life onto our cake. It's really simple. We just need some piping bags. I'm using 12-inch piping bags today. And we are gonna use today our Wilton 18 tip. We're gonna use our 4B tip. Maybe. I'm just using a couple of tips. We're gonna just see as we go along. And then our 1M, we'll see if I wanna do some 1M swirls on this cute pumpkin as we go. I don't wanna skip Thanksgiving. We gotta have a couple of fall cakes so you guys can take them to your Thanksgiving feast or parties, whatever you guys do for Thanksgiving. So this is gonna be a fun, cute little tutorial today on how to pipe this adorable pumpkin onto our cake. So let's get started, guys. We're gonna start by just outlining our pumpkin. This is my Wilton 18 tip. So you just push, pressure, and then you lift off. Release your pressure. And you just trace the outside of the pumpkin. Now we're gonna pipe our heart here in the middle. So like I said, we're still using that same 18 Wilton tip. Just trace. Now I'm just gonna pipe a few rosettes just to start filling it in a little bit. We've got our pumpkin piped and you see there's some little, gaps, things that didn't get on there perfect, which is okay because now it's time to sprinkle. And sprinkles, they save everything. So we are gonna put some sprinkles on here and watch this little pumpkin come to life. Hope you guys had fun today as our pumpkin came to life on our cake. You can use any size of cookie cutter. I used a bigger one today because I wanted you guys to see the process of how we piped it and how it came together. Sometimes the bigger ones, you won't love the, the finished product because you can't see as much definition as the smaller ones. But practice. So get a bigger one when you first start and practice. Also, if you mess up, just turn your cake around and start on the other side and you can do it again. It's all about practice here at Chili's Bakes Cakes, and we can practice. We can do it as many times as we want and you will get it. I promise you. Just practice and have patience, because this kind of piping, you definitely need to have major patience for it. Some people love this kind of cake decorating, other people don't, and also the sprinkle placement. I know that you noticed that I use my little tweezers. That is also just my preference. You do not have to do that. That was just something I did to finish off the cake today. So go get your piping bags and your cookie cutters and go make something magical in your kitchen. Make sure to subscribe, push that button because I need you to subscribe, because I have so much more fun coming here at Chili's Bakes Cakes. Follow me on Instagram at Chili's Bakes Cakes and have an awesome day.